please. So I've got so many requests about what I eat in a day, so I decided to give you a glimpse of what I would eat on a particular day. So the first thing in the morning is to fill this gallon of water, and I make sure it's empty by evening. It's 2.2 liters. We've got to stay hydrated. Breakfast, I drink low-fat milk, whole grain cereals because they are low in saturated fat, high in soluble fiber, significant amount of carbohydrates and protein. So I really just prefer cereals, whole grain cereals in particular. I really recommend this brand of protein powder, and the chocolate flavor is just delicious. So I just add 1 scoop, and each scoop is 31 grams of protein. So another alternative is you can just use your favorite milk, whatever you want, mix oats, protein powder, and yeah, that's fine. Or you can just spice it up with your favorite fruits like strawberries, banana, cinnamon, whatever you want to spice it up. Me encanta comer las frutas durante el día porque me mantiene llena y hidratada. Es muy bueno por tu piel, cuerpo, mente, todo. So I love different fruits. It depends. Apple, watermelon, pineapples. So here is the chicken curry recipe in case you want to know how I made it, because I didn't record it. Oopsie, I wanted to keep this video very short. This nutritious lunch is brown rice, cucumber, chicken curry and avocado. Brown rice, this is just the healthy carbs you need in your body, because without carbs you literally have no energy to go through your workouts. Healthy fats, cucumber has so many benefits besides keeping you full and hydrated. So this is perfect, you need to try it. It's dinner time. I use olive oil or coconut oil when it comes to cooking, and for dinner I'm going to be a little bit more detailed. So I'll show you how I'm making my mushroom tortilla wraps. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. So what you're going to need to do is heat up the pan, add your favorite oil, add onions and garlic, and cook until when they turn a little bit brown. Then add your green pepper or mixture of peppers with mushrooms. Cover it up, let it simmer on medium heat for about 3 minutes. I love to spice my food up, so I'm using turmeric, garlic, black pepper, cumin and ginger. I always say, if you're into fitness, whatever your fitness journey is, just make sure you consume high protein meals every day. Do some research on certain meals you can easily get on a budget, and just make sure if you can't find meals, it's hard for you, then buy protein powder, and okay, in the morning for breakfast I have my protein, or before and after my workouts, and you're good to go. Here is a delicious sauce I would like for you to try. 1 tablespoon of mustard and 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. it's really delicious, and you can have it with any food. I really recommend finding a balance when it comes to food, because food restriction is bad. It affects us mentally, physically, because one day you just go crazy and eat everything you've been trying to avoid. That cheat days, no, there is no cheat days. Just find a balance and enjoy your life. I drink alpha pre-workout for my protein, or coffee, whey protein after my workouts, instant oats in my smoothies or for breakfast, some carbohydrates I need, BCAA during my workouts or after my workouts. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.